Time now for Eyewitness News. Call 12 for action.
Hey, taxing problem. You just paid a professional tax preparer to file your tax returns. But what happens if that preparer makes a mistake and it ends up costing you?
Problem solver Susan Hogan reveals the answer that you may not want to hear.
Well, I have heard from dozens of you this tax season all complaining about mistakes made by tax preparers. Many of you are shocked to find out that ultimately the mistake is your problem.
Nicole and Brian Sampson are struggling to make ends meet.
We're just trying to pay our bills and give the baby food and heat in the house.
Hoping to get the biggest refund possible, the couple went to a tax preparer and paid $250 for the service.
They know what they're doing. They're the professionals, the tax professionals. I put my faith in them to do their job.
But according to the Sampsons, that tax preparer failed to send an important document, and that mistake may have cost them their $7,000 refund.
We got in touch with the IRS again, and they told us that my injured spouse form was never filed.
Feeling taxed over the situation, they call 12 for action.
We watch you all the time on the news, and you get answers.
We contacted the IRS and were told that if a tax preparer makes a mistake on your return, it's your responsibility to catch it.
Even though they sign it, it doesn't mean that they're responsible for any mistakes that are made. Once you sign that return, you're responsible for everything that they put on there.
While ultimately tax preparers are not responsible for any mistakes on your tax return, some companies do offer insurance should they make a mistake. But you have to ask whether that insurance will cover all of the fees associated with the mistakes.
Choosing a good tax preparer starts with you asking the right questions. Make sure they are registered with the IRS and have an ID number. This ensures that they have knowledge of tax codes.
We have a competency exam that is now out there and readily available, and you must pass that test by 2013 or you'll lose your practitioner tax ID number.
Now, as for the Sampsons, the IRS tells us they can still file that missing form and should be able to get their refund. It's just going to take a few months to get it, though. If this happens to you, there are tax advocates that will help you for free. We have a lot of information for you regarding tax issues on our website. Just go to WPRI.com for that. And if you have a consumer problem you need help solving, contact our Call 12 for Action Center Monday through Thursday from 11 until 1. Our hotline is 228-1850. Or if you're interested in becoming a Call 12 for Action volunteer with me, you can call that same number you see right there on your screen. I'm problem solver Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.